children. Today we are outdoors in our neighborhood and we are all about our neighborhoods and taking photographs of the beautiful things around our neighborhood. To take photographs, you'll need a camera. It can either be from your phone or your tablet, and also you can use the camcorders if you have one. If you don't have one, you can request your adult to use his or hers, and remember to take good care of it. So I'd like to share with you a few tips on how to take photographs. One, you need to consider that, especially a phone, you hold it in your hands, you touch it, and it could get oily and dusty. So it's important you clean the glass behind your lens, you wipe it so that you have very nice and clear images. And when taking photographs, it's important you hold your camera nice and steady with your two hands and use either your thumb or your index finger to take photographs. For example, I want to take a photograph of this bush over here. So you hold the camera with your two hands and take a photograph. The next tip when taking a photograph is you should consider the lighting of the area that you're in. For example, the sun is overhead, and so the sun can be at different positions. So whatever image you want to capture, the sun or the light should fall onto the image or object. For example, the sun is overhead, which is okay, so that will work perfectly. But however, when you're taking a photograph, let the light fall onto the image and not behind, so that you're able to get a nice and clear image. Next, when taking photographs, you need to consider the frame of your photograph. The object or whatever you're capturing should fit nicely into the screen. For example, if I'm taking a photograph of this tree over here, here I go. Maybe come closer, my photographer, and look at this. My center of attraction is this tree, but I need to center the tree onto my frame and maybe zoom in or go closer so that it fits perfectly into the screen. Not like this. If you move it like that, the tree is on this side and there's so much space left on this side. So this photograph may not be the best. So ensure that you center your image in the frame. There are different kinds of environment. An environment could be natural or constructed, and this is what usually happens around our neighborhood. A natural environment is what man has not created. It just exists as it is. Maybe you found it there since the beginning of the earth. For example, natural environments or places include maybe trees, rivers around your neighborhood. If there is a lake, if there is a mountain, if there is a hill, those are all natural environment. There is also another type of environment or places that are called constructed, and this is what man has created. For example, the buildings around you, the houses, maybe there is a park around you, maybe there is a garden, and other things that are around you. Whatever a man has been able to create is called a constructed environment. So around your neighborhood, make sure you identify the natural places and the constructed places of objects, and ensure you take photographs of them. So once more, you need to, when taking pictures of natural environment, for example, this one, I hope you can see that clearly. It's important that you consider the lighting. Also, we've talked about the lighting. You need also to consider the background. For example, there is quite a difference here. This background is a bit bright and this is a bit dark. So the lighting is very key. You need to maybe adjust the brightness of your phone so that you're able to see your images clearly. Remember, go close and fill the frame for if you need to take a close shot, and there you go. If you need to capture several things at once, for example, I want to capture that area. Remember, it's important to have a balance of your screen so that all objects are visible and not so much space left on either sides of the screen. So there you go, and you capture that. The same case happens if you need to take a video. Always remember to hold your phone with your 2 hands and use either your thumb or index finger to take the photographs, because this will ensure stability so that your images are not shaky. Even if you're holding the phone in an upright manner or portrait, always remember to hold it steady. If you need to wait for the camera to clear out, it's not so that the image is not blurry, you can give it some time and then go ahead and capture your image. I hope you've learned quite a lot this session, and you'll have fun capturing all the beautiful images and videos around your neighborhood. Remember, you can share them to our email or WhatsApp us earlier, and we can all have a look at your work that you've done. Thank you.